Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool 1,000-piece keying set that you can use to kind of rekey your home locks. If you're a beginner or just someone looking into getting into locksmithing, this has all the tools, including 3 blank keys, the tools that you're going to need, and all of the pins and springs and different parts to work on a KW system, which is like a quick set system that includes the master key. So this actually provides you with the tools. You got a nice pair of little very fine tweezers that's going to be used to handle those springs and to handle those little nibs. And inside here, each one of the keys that you have typically has, you know, different sized pins that fall within each notch. And you've got your pin springs, and you've got your locks, you've got your everything that you need. You've got all this stuff. I mean, this is a lot of information in this kit. You even send you with some blanks here to actually work on for the door stops that you can cut these to length. So you can actually cut those to the right length that you need to get your tail pieces in there. They do send you with these 3 KW keys or quick set blank keys that you can use for those, as well as all the other pieces that you're going to need. So this is great if you're looking to get started and you actually want to try to take apart a lock and rekey it, key it to a different key, even key it to a master key up to a 6-pin set. This kit has everything you need to get you started.